How to change Wegmans payment method. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change Wegmans payment method. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to wegmans.com. Once you land on this, make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to click on your favorite items in order to purchase that. After that, you want to click on the plus icon and add that in your cart. Now you want to click on the cart icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. That should open up all the items in your cart. Now you want to click on the go to checkout option. Here you want to click on confirm pickup location option, then choose your pickup time. Once that is done, you want to click on the payment option. Here click on add new card. Now to add a card, you will have to enter some details. So start by entering your cardholder's name, then enter the zip code. Now enter your card number. After that, you want to enter the card expiration date. Once that is done, go ahead and enter your security code. If you want to save this payment, you want to check the box that says Save in Profile. Now check the box that says I'm not a robot. After you do all of this, click on the Continue option. Now follow the on-screen prompts in order to place your order, and in this way you can very easily change the Wegmans payment method. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.